We then move on to the third step where we're being asked to inspect the entire wheel tread. So given a quick view of where to look, and maybe I'll just go over a quick once around. Again, I'm going to open up some of this 2D content just to make sure I get all the information available. So thoroughly inspect for any imperfections, inspect the tire tread. Okay, all good stuff. So I'm actually going to do a quick once round. So this side looks good. And if I move around to this side, so what I can actually notice, it might be a bit dark on the iPad, is there's actually a slight bit of wear just here. Slight bit of wear there. So I could move on from this step. I could maybe move on and complete it. But as I found an issue, what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to leave a fault. So I'm going to jump out of this AR mode. So again, hitting the button on the bottom right, switch out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a fault just to make sure that someone is aware of this damage I found to the tire. So on the right-hand side, I'm going to hit this add fault button. And then I'll leave a quick description. So damage to tire. This is simple. What else can I leave? So I'm also going to leave a photo, I think. So I'll tap the photo and maybe I'm just going to get nice and close, get some good view of the damage. Yeah, there we go. Nice flash will help me of the damage just there. So I'm going to use that photo. And what I'm then going to do is, so quite clear, but just to make it even more clear for whoever's going to come and replace this or repair this, I'm going to add some markups. So really, really simple stuff. I just want someone to know exactly where this fault is. So I'm going to add a quick circle highlighting, and then I'm just going to add maybe a bit of text information. So I'll say about 1 centimeter of damage. So just a bit of information to help someone when they come and replace this, and just to make sure everyone can see this as clearly as possible, whoever's coming to replace this. I'll add a background so it's nice and clear. I'll hit a save button and hit save just there. Now, the last thing I want to do is, I know my company uses some internal fault codes, and they've added those into Manifest, some custom fault codes. So at the bottom there, I'm going to add an actual unique fault code. So I can see if I look down, yeah, so 07 is wheel damage. I can hit that save button. So I'm just making sure I've left a fault, damage to tire, a photo, a fault code, and now I can quickly hit that save button. Perfect.